Bibilin mo. Ayan.
Paano ba namin ito ginawa?
Basta bayad ko ah.
No. This is some surprise to my new house. Oh, not that easy. Oh, some TV. I recognize this. It's so familiar. Oh, puppies. Ew, your dusty feet. Oh, hell. I'm not getting. Oh, I'm a big kid. Don't eat that. Oh, sorry. Okay, time to do this. Oh, give me scissors. This. Oh my god. I will take that again. To this notebook. Because I have a freaking high school. Let's go. How much? How much? How much is this?
This there? Bayad.
Bayad. This is the payment. Now let's go with this. Wait, I will wrap this.
Na lang daw ako doon mag-aaral daw sa kanila. Hayaan ko daw si Papa. Kahit siya daw magsusunod.
Alam mo, pagmahanin niya na, Guerrero.
Oo.
Sigaw pang bading. Box. Lagay mo ng mga ballpen mo, yung mga gamit mo. Tapos, study table. Ayan o. Akit ko yan o.
Ako na lang.
Hindi, akit ko kay ate muna.